and today I have a bonus video for you, an extra one this week, that is the unboxing video of the March FabFitFun box. This is my first real FabFitFun box. I posted a video unboxing the editor's box a little while ago, but this is my first one that I've gotten that nobody will have seen before me and before me opening it. If you want to know what FabFitFun is all about, I suggest that you go watch my first unboxing video, which I'll link down below. And remember, this is a quarterly box, so I won't be getting another of these for a while now. I just got 2 in a row pretty quickly because I was a new subscriber. So I got my introductory box, and then this is the first real one. So first impressions are that I love the box. It has really pretty graphics of all different kinds of women, which is appropriate for International Women's Day being in the last week, and doing different activities that I enjoy, like reading and sleeping, and doing beauty care stuff and yoga, looking fabulous. And it's another nice heavy one, so it feels like there's probably going to be a lot of good stuff in here. I did get to specify some preferences for this one. I got the option to choose colors of a couple items and things like that, but I don't really remember what they were in much detail because it was so long ago that they sent me the email about that, and I was kind of glad of that because I like the surprise. So I want it to be spaced out between me getting a spoiler and actually opening the box. So let's see what's in here. So we've got our usual newsletter, which I'll look at later. A coupon. The sticker on the tissue paper says "Share to Win." So it looks like there's some kind of competition opportunity here. Okay, a few of these things are very much unwrapped, unpackaged, so I'll start with them because I can see what they are. The first is a Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. This is a really good brand and doesn't come cheap normally, so this will be really fun to try. It's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. That looks great. I'd be really excited to try a Murad product because I never have before. Then we've got a Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's for nail treatment. Combines 2 extraordinary anti-aging ingredients in one innovative treatment. Transform damaged nails into a makeover sensation to achieve beautiful, natural-looking nails. Great. So it's basically something to make your nails healthier and stronger. And it looks like so. There's also an Ulta coupon printed on the inside of the box for 20% off a product by the same brand. Then we have Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, Crushed Macadamia and Rice Milk Scented. This is definitely sampler size, but it looks really fun to try. Reveal silky smooth skin with new Dove Exfoliating Body Polish by exfoliating and restoring skin's natural nutrients. So you use this in the shower. I have not tried this one before. So far this box is very skincare, body care focused. And one more body care thing that's been sitting at the top of the box unwrapped is the Kors Body Butter in Guava Scent. 93.9% natural content. Oh, this smells so good. I'm trying this now. Next we have this little blue bag, which looks exciting. It says Maya Brenner, Los Angeles. I think it's a bracelet and it says love on it. I'm not sure if this is gold color or rose gold. It's hard to tell in this lighting. This is very dainty and cute, and I definitely wear it. Then we've got a lip statement palette by Ish. Never heard of the brand Ish, but this looks exciting. How to get in. I've never used a lip palette, so I'm not sure what this will look like on the inside. It says hashtag I'm smoking hot on the back, so that bodes well. Oh, very nice. All different red and pink shades and a little applicator. I'll be keeping this one for sure. Rachel Paley, or Pally. And a couple layers of packaging. Is it a bag within a bag? It is. At least this is reusable for something, not sure what. If you have any ideas, let me know. I think it's a laptop case. Let's check the spoilers just to see if I know what I'm talking about. Nope, it's a clutch. A large, nicely designed clutch. I think that maybe it's designed so that you can fold it in half as well. That's how it's posed in every picture. And it's got an inside pocket with the same floral design and a tasseled zipper. Okay, there's something very strange in the bottom of the box that I need to pull out. I don't know what exactly this is. It looks like some kind of cat toy. Maybe a massaging thing? Yep. Physique 57 is the brand name, and it's a massage roller. Serious results, serious relief. No instructions on how to use it, so I'm not going to embarrass myself by trying on camera right now, but I will look in the spoilers later to see if there are any instructions or if it's online somewhere. I'm not sure if you use it like so or if you have to lie down on it. Okay, now we have some eye mask shaped thing from Free People. I think it is just that, an eye mask. A super heavy duty one. It's kind of weighted. And it's got a gel insert. And it's soft and got an adjustable elastic strap. That's pretty fancy. According to the spoilers in the newsletter for this, you can remove the insert and put it in the fridge before using it and then get cooling effects for your eyes. It's a pretty big, hefty eye mask, so let's see what this looks like on my relatively small head. Feels like it needs to be adjusted a bit to even fit, though. I can't see, so I don't know what I look like, but hopefully this is stylish enough to take on an airplane or something. I don't know what people look for in an eye mask, but it's comfortable and I can already feel the cooling effects of the insert even without putting it in the fridge myself. It's probably just an effect of sitting outside of my Michigan apartment, but it definitely feels nice and I cannot see any light whatsoever. Down to our last item here. This is an Anderson Lily candle in fresh linen scent from their Sunset collection. So this is a little bit odd. The container that the candle is in seems very heavily used. Like it's got candle residue on the outside and on the inside and has some nicks and damages to it. The candle itself has never been burned, but it feels like it's been used as a tester of some kind, like it's been handled a lot. I'm gonna look inside the newsletter to see maybe if this is a recycled or reclaimed container. So it doesn't say anywhere in there that this has been reclaimed or repurposed. So I don't know why it feels like it's been sitting on a shelf forever. I don't know if you can see if I hold this up, but there's a lot of signs of wear on this thing, and even little bits of candle around the edge, like little bits of wax. And it just does not feel clean or stylish like they describe it in there. So I don't know what's going on there. Maybe they accidentally sent me a tester version or something, or one that they'd received as a sample. But that's a little bit weird. I can easily clean the candle holder myself, but it is strange that it feels like a lot of people have been touching that, and actually makes me want to go wash my hands. This box was a little hit or miss. There were some gems in there, and some really high quality products. I think that I'm particularly excited to try the Murad lotion and the lip statement palette, and the eye mask is pretty cool. Like, if I was going to own an eye mask, I think I'd like it to be this one. But some of the other things were not entirely my taste or matched my preferences necessarily that I put on FabFitFun. And the candle thing was just bizarre. I might actually contact FabFitFun about that one to see what they have to say. Again, I don't mind having a used product, but I kind of like to know that it was used intentionally. But that's about it. I'm excited to see what comes in the next box as we move into the next season for a summer box. And I think in particular, the actual physical box itself was a highlight for me. I really like the artwork on this, and I will be reusing it. I think it's very cute, and it will look good on a shelf or something in my house. So that's it for me. If you like this video and want more unboxing videos in the future, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next week. Thanks.